Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today I'm going to be painting Mother Nature Winter. This is part of the exclusive series that I have available for you Patreons, which we like to call Paintings for Patreons. And of course, I recently did Mother Nature Autumn, so I figured she needed a seasonal companion. So I hope you guys enjoy. And then that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a beautiful winter Mother Nature, and I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.